Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Creative State of Mind with Casey. I'm Casey. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I created this beautiful floral wreath ring, perfect for the springtime. If you like what you see in today's video, please go like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see more content like this. And please hit the little bell to be notified when I upload a video. Okay, let's get started. The first thing you will need for this DIY is some burlap ribbon. As you can see, I already cut my burlap. You will also need these great wreath hoop rings. You can purchase them at Walmart, but I purchased mine off of Amazon last year when I was getting ready for my wedding. But you can get them from Walmart for I think $5 or $6. They're really not that much. And I will put that price in the description box also. You will also need some white paint. I purchased my white paint from Walmart. It's the Waverly Premium. They didn't have the other kind I usually use, so I just picked up the Super Premium, and it still came out very good. And you're not gonna need a lot, just a small amount, just to cover your burlap and your letters. Now, I wish I could have left this glittery like this, but it just didn't look right to me, so I went ahead and I painted them white with this makeup sponge right here. Even though these stickers have glitter all on them, it was very easy to apply the paint to the stickers, especially with this makeup sponge. I just dabbed it in the white paint and just dabbed it on the stickers. Very simple and easy. Now, I got these stickers from Michael's a while ago. I want to say they were maybe $3 and some change. Again, I will put the price in the description box for you so you can know where to get them and how much they were. Now, at first, I wasn't going to paint the burlap all the way through white like this. I was just going to paint the words and have the burlap showing and a little bit white and all around it. But it wasn't going to look right. So I decided to paint the burlap white also and just peel up the letters so you can see the original color of the burlap with the white. And I just thought that was beautiful, especially for the springtime. Also, I'm sorry if you can hear my son in the background. They're out of school today, so he's home playing, watching TV. So I have 3 rings, so I decided to do 3 words, and they say faith, hope, and love. And I just thought that was very beautiful, especially with my white flowers that I'm gonna put up under it. Now these white roses are the same white roses I used for a previous DIY I did, the wreath, the heart wreath, and they're the same white roses from the Dollar Tree. Again, they just cost $1. Now, when you are done making your bows and fluffing them out how you like it, you're just going to take some hot glue and put it in the middle of your stems and put some hot glue on your bow and hot glue it down to your wreath ring. Now, not directly onto your wreath ring, but more onto the stems. Now for my last and final step, I'm going to add a white heart to the middle of my bows. Now my bows are beautiful just the way they are, but me being me, I just had to. And I got these beautiful hearts from the Dollar Tree. They're DIY hearts in the Valentine's Decor section. And so all I'm going to do with my Waverly white paint is just paint it white. And I thought this was the perfect finishing touch for my beautiful floral wreath rings. Again, this is the perfect wreath ring for the springtime. Those white flowers and that burlap, it all just screams spring. And this is the perfect floral wreath for any type of decor you may have, whether it be farmhouse decor or shabby chic or mid-century modern. Whatever kind of house decor you have, this would go perfect with it. When you are done with your creation, you will have these beautiful floral wreath rings that you can hang all over your house. They are truly beautiful and they will truly make a statement. Love, hope, and faith are great. That you can display all around your lovely home. I'm Casey. Again, this is my YouTube channel, Creative State of Mind with Casey. If you like this video, please go comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit that little bell to be notified every time I upload a video. Thank you so much.